In the last video, I was using the Nano editor for modifying or creating a few files, which is okay. But there are also nicer options. For example, the Pulsar editor. Simply Google for Pulsar editor, and on the website scroll down to Windows and download the setup package. And then you simply have to find this file in the downloads folder and install it. Now, the advantage of the Pulsar editor is that you, for example, simply can use the mouse for copy pasting, and I think it's a bit more beginner friendly. Now you can search for Pulsar. Oh, it actually already started right away. And then you can add, for example, your home directory or another directory to a project, or make a folder your project. For example, in this case, I will simply use my home directory as a project folder. And then I, for example, can here on the left-hand side modify my C program, for example, by copying this printf line and pasting it again. And by the way, note that this blue dot here indicates that the file is not saved. So you see, when I press Ctrl S and save it, it disappears. And then here on the right-hand side, I can compile the program and run it. And this will be our typical workflow. On the left-hand side, you modify a program. On the right-hand side, you compile it. And if it compiles successfully, you test it. If it doesn't compile, you go to the left-hand side, fix the error, go back to the right-hand side, compile it, and so on. And this is something that we will practice a lot in the next exercise.